Hey there, Mike Ish, MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on the 2020 Scout 175 Dorado. Shark gray hull, nice high bow rail, something sturdy to hold on to when you're in the front of the boat. Nice big sun pad. Get lots of storage in this boat in addition to the seating. Flip up here, both sides, put fenders, lines, beach towel, really whatever you need. Of course, we opted for the JL audio on this one. You gotta have some nice tunes when you're out there. Bimini top keeps you out of the sun as needed. You have both port and starboard helm chairs. Nice helm, very simple, easy to use, easy to understand with the Yamaha gauges integrated, including the trim tabs. As we move aft, we do have two more jump seats. Going to be storage underneath these as well. Again, great option we added is the tow bar. You want to pull the kids around on a little water ski, inner tube, something like that, it works fantastic for that. 90 horse Yamaha 4-stroke outboard. Great power match for this boat. Again, really just does everything you need. Simple, easy boat. Get you on the water. Enjoy your afternoon. Mike Ish, MarineMax Maryland, 2020 Scout 175 Dorado. Give us a phone call. We'd love to get you on the water.